Welcome to Activity 19, A Little Harder. In this activity, we'll be developing fluency with near doubles that are one less than the double. For example, I know this double of 4 add 4 equals 8. This is one less. So I would also know, using this, that 4 add 3 wouldn't be 8, it would be 7. After I have written the near double that is one less, I'm going to write this near double a different way. I'll show you using the cubes. So what I did was I had the double, which was 4 add 4, and I knew that was 8. And then I had one less. So I took one away, and that gave me 7. Both of these are the same amount. They're just written differently. This equation is written as 4 add 3. This is the same, but it's just written a different way. This is saying we have 4 add 4, and then we take away 1, but we still get 7. In this activity, we're going to be writing the double, the near double that is one less, and then writing the near double one less a different way. To complete this activity, you need 2 of each bond block from 1 to 5, and a dry erase marker if you're using a write and white sleeve, or a pencil if you're using just paper. First, we make the double and we say, I know 1 add 1 equals 2. So 1 less than this would be 1 add, not 1, but 0. So 1 add 0 equals 1. And what I actually did, if I use the cubes, is say double 1 was 2, and then I took 1 away, and I still get 1. I'll do the next one for you. I know 2 add, just move these, 2 add 2 equals 4. So 2 add 1 less than the double is 2 add 1. This would be 3. And another way I can write 2 add 1 is to write the double of 2 add 2, 2 add 2, and then take away 1. My double, take away 1, and that is also 3. The next one, I know 3 add 3, 3 add 3 equals 6. So my near double is 3 add 2. And that won't be 6, it will be a bit less. So it would be 5. And another way to write this is I know my double. I'll use the cubes for you. Is I knew the double of 3 add 3, and then I took away 1, and that also gives me 5. The next example, I know 4 add 4 equals 8. So the near double, that's one less, would be 4 add 3. Now this won't be 8, it will be 1 less, which is 7. Another way to write that equation is I started with my double of 4 and 4. I'll write that 4, add 4, that's my double. And then I took away 1, and that left me with 7. And the last one is the double of 5 and 5. I know 5 and 5 is 5 add 5 is 10. So I know that 5 add 4 is nearly 10, but it's 1 less. So it'll be 9. And a different way of writing this would be my double of 5 add 5, and then I take away 1, and that also gives me 9. Now it's your turn. Build the double, write it. Build the near double, write it. And then write it as the double subtract 1. If you need to, you can use cubes to help with the double subtract 1. But that's your choice.